Alright, this is it. This is a Fisher & Paykel Smart Drive washing machine, or what was. What I've done is I've taken the bowl out of the washing machine and cut it down to the base. There's nothing that's been changed with the wiring on. It's just straight out of the washing machine. These are cut bits of barrel, and it's a bit of an experiment with these holes cut in it, just making it easy for the wind to get where it needs to, and the flaps help turn the thing around a bit quicker. I know it looks a bit rough at the moment. I didn't want to throw money at hinges. Maybe at a later date if it proves it's going to do something for us. Like I say, the idea behind these flaps is the wind's going to make it easier to go through here, but it's going to be harder to go that way. Well, that's the idea behind it. And then we follow the extension lead. To the man cave. I don't know if you can see this. It's a circuit I made during lockdown. It's just basically disconnects the windmill to the battery, charging the battery when everything's good for the battery. It is 13.7 volts. You can see it's 12.5 at the moment. It's not a lot of wind, but I'll keep an eye on that. So I'm more interested in how the thing's going to carry on in a lot of wind, and hopefully that'll charge that guy. So yeah, see how it goes and keep you posted. Cheers.